Okay, hello? 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 Can anyone hear me? Can anyone see me? I'm CoinRingMaker from coinringmaker.com. Usually I'm here on TikTok Live making coins into rings, but today we're doing an unboxing video. This is the Bamboo Labs A1 Mini Combo. So this is a very reasonably priced 3D printer for all the features and the ease of use that comes with it. It's currently on sale. If you want to get one of these while you watch me unbox it, tap the little shopping cart down here. But this is really cool. With this addition here, it's a combo. I can actually print with 4 colors at the same time. So that's really exciting for me. I've been messing with 3D printers for a little over a decade, and I've really seen them change and evolve and become more user-friendly over time. But it has been a few years since I actually bought myself one. I've been using older 3D printers, mainly Zortrax M200s for a while, and I'm really excited about this upgrade. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try and film this the best I can. It is a little tricky, but we're going to go ahead and cut this open and get it started. Yeah. So let's go. And again, this is a bit difficult to keep in frame. So we're not going to get all the best shots, but I'm going to try and do my best. This box is pretty cool. It's got handles on it. I thought that was nice. It's not super heavy, so it's really easy to pick up and move around. It's pretty cool. All right, so we got her popped open, and you guys can't see anything cool. We'll try and fix it here. We'll give you guys a overhead look, try my best. But yeah, if you guys want to check out this product, it currently is on sale here on TikTok. It's the best price I've seen for this printer currently. You can get the printer or the combo on sale. Tap the little shopping cart down here. That's pretty cool. So this is really nice. It's got a little cardboard lift up here. And this is all taped up. I don't know, it's pretty fancy. Honestly, the presentation's pretty nice. I'm just gonna tear it. All the selling on TikTok is ruining the app. I don't know, man. I'm not really trying to sell this, but I am stoked about it. It's a pretty cool 3D printer, and I wanted to share myself opening it up with you guys. If you don't want to buy one, don't buy one. But the link's there if somebody does, which I think is pretty handy. Here is our print bed. It's pretty cool. And here is our instruction quick start manual. Please review entire guide before operating printer. It's got a list of everything that comes with it here. And here's how to start taking all the packing stuff off our printer and setting it up. This light is flaring out hardcore. So I'll go at a bit of a different angle. Okay, so I'm gonna start taking everything out of the box here. This is like a color swatch, so you can get an idea of what different filaments from bamboo look like. It's pretty nifty. It's got a whole bunch of little tools in it, little wrenches and parts, and probably some lube. Some safety guidelines, always handy. And I think I can actually see the top of the printer on the other side of this foam here. And these little things are going to hold the spools. So we'll take those out and set them aside. Pretty cool little contraption. This is the poop chute that was in that little bit of foam too, so we'll have to attach that to the printer, I'm sure. I'll give you guys a good overhead look at what we're dealing with here. A decent amount of really thick foam. Make sure that stays in place. So I'm going to drop this to the floor and try and pull this out. Bear with me. First part to come out is, I believe this is called an AMS. This is what's going to hold all the filament, and it's also going to feed it through. So we got 4 different colors we can use. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Here we've got, okay, that is the stand for the spool holder. There it is. Everything else that's in this giant bag. Our lovely bamboo A1. That's good. Makes sense. Oh, these are the Bowden tubes that are going to feed the filament through. This is a very large bag of desiccate. Nice. And let's remove the foam and the cardboard. And here's a little bit of test filament to play with. I ordered a few spools of filament, but I don't think they're going to show up until tomorrow or the next day. But we should be able to get at least a test print off on this today. So let's get my clippers here, and we're just going to remove a couple of these cables, zip ties or whatever. This looks really well packaged, honestly. Everything looks very secure. Oop. A little too secure. Okay, now that I'm jumping ahead of the manual, let's go back to the manual, see what she says. Okay, step 1, remove the cable and the foam from here. Remove 4 screws. Remove 4 screws to unlock. Okay, so there's this. Right here. Kind of bracket right there. We're going to need to remove that. Looks like it's a hex wrench, so we're going to go ahead and bust up our little toolbox. See if we can find the wrench that we need. I hope this live is entertaining. I don't usually do unboxings here on TikTok, so I don't know. I hope somebody gets something out of this. Let's see. We'll see if this one Stuff in here is a little loose. Would be nicer if it fit a little better, but whatever. USB to computer. No, this mainly works with like an app on your phone. So what Bamboo does is it slices your files in the cloud and then sends them to the printer via Wi-Fi, I believe. You can use like a USB drive to print off of, I think, as well. But I think the main way it is set up is to use Bamboo's app. Well, that's kind of tricky to get to. I hope my camera works okay. I'm trying to focus on this and filming. If my shot's bad, just let me know. Hopefully we'll get this thing up and running on this very live. That would be cool. But don't want to let go, screws. All right. So we got the bracket off. Step one complete. Let's go on to the next one here. Okay, tighten the 3 screws circled in green to lock in the heat bed. Okay, this is on the front. Will it make SolidWorks models? I'm actually not sure. I've just started playing with this thing, so we'll have to wait and see. I'm pretty sure it can print whatever. So there are 3 little brackets underneath the print bed here. That. How fast? This is apparently super fast, so I'm pretty excited about that. It's going to be at least 2 to 3 times as fast as my current printer, and the quality is better. And I mean, I think the base printer, so if you just get the printer, it's relatively inexpensive compared to a lot of other stuff on the market. And you can get the kit, which is what I got, the printer and the multi-color capabilities at the same price as like a Perusa. So it's a pretty good deal. Let's see here. Tighten the 3 screws circled in green to lock the heat bed. I got one here. That one's pretty tight. Okay. One back here. Nice and tight. The third one. Over here. Nice. Okay. Cool. Slide the purge wiper into the slot on the x-axis. So that's going to be this bad boy. And it's supposed to slide. How's that supposed to slide? From the back. Okay. Sorry, we're out of frame a little bit. That. this back in the market? Yeah, you can order through the little shopping cart down here. And I'm pretty sure it's on sale right now. And then install one M3 screw. Oh, that's nice. They have the bag labeled for what it's for. Purge wiper. That one screw. Oh no. I bought this 2 days ago here on TikTok. And it's already here. Pretty quick. Okay, so this screw goes underneath here. Okay, see that little hole right there? That's where we're gonna put it. Oh, shoot. If we don't lose it, that would be... It's a mini, that's true. A1 mini combo. I'm so excited to get this up and running. Alright. So I got the combo. Oh, you need a bigger one? I mean, the print bed isn't terribly small. Like, I could probably print my hand on it, but some people need bigger stuff, and I understand that. You can cut your file into smaller pieces. But, I mean, for the price, I'm really excited at what I'm going to be able to do with this thing. Multicolor printing under $1,000. It's pretty good. Alright, so next it wants me to add this spool holder. See what we can find where it's supposed to go. It looks like on the back. I gotta spin this thing around so much to get it set up. Here? Yeah, here. And that's weird. Okay, so you have to install, I think, this bracket, like that. That looks right. For scraper or spool holder. Okay. I like how these are labeled. It's a bamboo A1 mini. If you want to check it out, TikTok does have them on sale right now. Just tap the little shopping cart down here. Ooh. Make sure we got this all facing the right way and everything. It's a little funny that this piece isn't already installed on the machine, but I mean, whatever. It doesn't take a lot of work. Bingo bango. Installed. Alright, now it wants me to put the AMS together. So I'm going to set the printer off to the side for a moment. Our stand. And this basically says install 4 screws, I believe. Yeah, put it together and then put 4 screws in. There are our 4 screws. And we also want to make sure we put this in facing the right way. It looks like wire at the top. That's the way to go. Trying to stay in frame. It's a little tricky. There we go. Let's not lose the screws. Alright, one screw in. Boom. These little guys are hard to grab. Okay.
Mr. Cornering Maker.
Alright, I'll have to come back in a minute.